Little Colorado River Navajo Park was one of the most epic places we had ever camped at. Even though it has turned into a bit of a tourist trap, it was amazing to see the Navajo people come out here and share their culture with us. But with the packed schedule we had for today, we hit the road again. First stop, the Grand Canyon National Park. In our travels, we have seen some of the most amazing sights nature has to offer, but I don't think anything could have prepared us for what we were about to see. It is the first time we had ever been rendered speechless. We didn't say a word. We just took it all in. It's impossible to get a sense of scale from a video. To understand how massive this place is, you have to come out and see it for yourself. As hard as it was to leave this place, we had to keep moving. Driving away from the park, the elevation drops fast, and soon we were back to warmer weather and amazing roads through the Arizona desert. Of course, what American road trip would be complete without fast food? We started to see new places that we had never tried before and couldn't resist. And before we knew it, we were driving across the Hoover Dam. With enough concrete to build a road that stretches over 3,000 miles, and generating enough electricity for 1.3 million people, this is the epitome of human ingenuity. We arrived around sunset, so we practically had the dam to ourselves. A short drive later and we arrived in one of the most famous cities in the world, Las Vegas. decided to stay in a Vegas hotel for the night since we desperately needed showers, and we wanted to enjoy a night out in Vegas without the worry of driving afterwards. We are not gamblers, but we couldn't leave Vegas without losing a few dollars playing slots. This was a stark change from the quiet desert roads we had now become accustomed to, but we felt a strange sense of freedom not found in any other US city.
Hey, gonna make everything alright.
But soon the novelty of Vegas wore off, and we look forward to hitting the road once again. In the next episode, we leave Las Vegas. We drive through the Mojave Desert. And things get a little greener again as we tour the West Coast.